What's up, guys? Hey, how you doing? Scarecrow here. It's currently 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but I feel like it's like at night because I'm like nocturnal now. So yeah, so technically I'm a badass in this position. Oh fuck, what was I gonna say? I should have written all of this shit down. I got new earphones. They're pretty cool. They're like Dr. Dre ones, see? Take a look at that shit. I'll show you the box, but they're over there, so and I got you'll be seeing a lot more of this guy soon, so yeah. Woo! I'm using my webcam to capture all of this soon, but we also thinking about doing machinima and music and stuff on a different channel altogether, but this is just going to be my personal channel. We need names for our channel that we're going to do music, machinima, skits and stuff like that, starring myself, my cousin and a couple of my other mates. And please leave in the comments below what you think would be really good comment, like what would you think like would be a really good name for our company. So yeah, do that. We'll be doing gameplays and everything, and then every single Halloween or two we might be doing the zombies, like all of the maps. Like this year is gonna be like massive. Like as soon as I freaking get my hand on a capture card or something like that, or a HD TV, like I could use my DVD player, but I really don't know that. So would you kindly like put that in the comments below too? Um, so we'll be doing a lot of gameplay walkthroughs like Saints Row and Assassin's Creed and shit. We'll also be doing like walkthroughs and how to get achievements and certain achievements and stuff. Yeah, so don't forget to rate the video, comment, subscribe, click that thumbs up button. I'm not sure if I'm that popular yet to say that, but I'm just gonna say that anyway because I'm a badass. So yeah, be sure to check on my channel or look for a new channel. But then again, like I said, we need to find a good new channel. So yeah, I hope you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.